Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I will tell you how to download your own fonts to your Cricut and how can you curve the text in it. This video will definitely be useful for those who are just starting using their Cricut, as well as for those who want to add something new to their wonderful projects. So let's get started. So firstly, I want to tell you how to download the fonts. Go to the Google Fonts. I like it because it's free and you can also use any font you like for your commercial product. This is also a great option for a small business to develop their brands without any font licensing costs. The steps to upload a new font is pretty simple. Download the font you like and want to use. Unzip the font file folder. Open a font file. Follow the prompts on your computer to install the font file. After installing the font, open the Cricut design space. Note that you need to close the program firstly, because the font that you want to download may not appear. Create a new project and add a text box to the canvas. Then, click the font drop-down menu on the top toolbar to change the font. When we figured out how to upload the fonts, now we can move to the next part, how to curve the text. Click the text. Type what you want into a text box and then choose the font. Then, click on the Curve tool. Now you can see how your text is changing. Remember that the Curve tool will only enable for text boxes with a single line of text. If you have multiple lines to curve, enter each line in its own text box, or use Ungroup two lines feature. Curve tool cannot be used on the text that has been ungrouped to individual letters and then regrouped. So, if additional manual letter spacing adjustments are needed after you have used the letter spacing tool, wait until you have curved the text to do this. And basically, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a thumb up if you like this video. See you in the next crafting projects. Bye!